Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin guys because I have an update for you, which I think we are bouncing right now guys, which is great news, right? However guys, remember, I just only expect the bounce to go up to about 7,000, but that does not mean that you cannot make gains, right? There's altcoins where you can, instead of let's see right here, right? Instead of making like a 8 to 10% gain, in altcoins, there's altcoins out there that you can make 20-30% gains, right, or even more. I personally am looking at ontology because of the mainnet and stuff. You know how it goes, guys. So I put the tether that I was in, I put that in ontology because well, if you look at ontology going up, that's a nice 30% instead of 10%. Okay, obviously I also bought some Bitcoin, but yeah guys, I think we're going for a bounce. And that's why I just had to update you guys, even though it's like 4:30 a.m. here, right? When I see things happening like this, I just have to update you guys. So yeah, all you have to do guys is 30 minutes and draw a line, and you can see that we broke out, right? So that's just absolutely looking good. I like that. That's how we identify an uptrend, and this is how an uptrend starts. Okay, this does not mean that we cannot go lower still. It simply means I think that we will bounce, to about that 7,000 area, and after that, maybe we'll go up to like 7.1, 7.2. We'll have to see, right? We'll have to see when we get there, and for sure, guys, if I see any bearishness like popping up, I'll certainly make a video so you guys can, you're always up to date, right? So you can decide whether to go back in Tether or Fiat, or maybe you want to short the market. Do whatever you want, right? But for now, guys, I can definitely see a bounce coming. So a well-deserved bounce. I mean, if we go over the RSIs here on the 30-minute, 1 hour, well, obviously we're getting a little bit high in here right now, but that's fine. So 2 hour, guys, 3 hour. See, so plenty of space to move. 4 hour. 6 hour, plenty of space to move, guys. Alright, but do keep these areas in mind on the RSI. Around 60 on the 6 hour is definitely a zone that you need to be watching, because it's, we just haven't been higher than that for a while, even with this run up to 7,800, right? So definitely a zone to watch. The 12 hour also very oversold. The daily very oversold. So just be happy with the bounce, guys, and play. Maybe you want to play altcoins, maybe you want to play Bitcoin, but I honestly think that we will get the bounce, starting actually right now. So does that mean that you should just buy into like this massive green? Well, that's up to you, right? You can also wait for a little retrace, and then go in and just ride it up to like about that 7k, and maybe this zone right here, guys. Right there. Okay, and I'm leaving this one up here. I'm leaving this one up here, guys, because this is a zone that is of our interest. Okay, this is definitely a zone of our interest that's gonna be a little tough to break through it. Okay, so yeah, that is definitely something we need to watch for. So yeah, guys, just great news, right? We're finally, I think, bouncing at least. Alright, just a bounce. Do not expect a massive bull market, okay? This is merely just a bounce. That's all I can see really happening. And who knows if this even goes further than this. We'll just have to see, guys, and take it day by day, the hourly, but just being above, breaking out of this downtrend is just great to see, right? So yeah, it's looking good, guys, and obviously we have a lot of resistance as well. If you look on the 1 hour, we have a cloud here at 6,700, right? And depending how long this takes, where it will be, but yeah, there's definitely resistance in the way, but this is looking pretty okay, right? And you could also, guys, you could have spotted this and bought very risky, obviously, with this low here. But I definitely didn't buy, but I was aware of it. Is see, so you have bullish RSI divergence right there. That simply means that a bounce is most likely coming, right? But not always. So yeah, it's just looking pretty good, guys. And I honestly think that we can go back to these zones and try for this again. So, but definitely keep this red line in mind, guys. 7,000 exactly. All right, we obviously have this zone up here, but I should actually make this zone bigger, right? So just like right there. That is our zone, guys. That is our potential selling zone. All right, so yeah. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. I know it's very short, but I just want to give you guys an update on that we're bouncing, okay? And you can probably see that we're bouncing anyways, but especially when the 30 minute is gonna cross bullish on the 55, that would be a bullish sign, but we'll have to see what happens, right? For now, guys, it's just looking pretty good. So obviously there's still 15 minutes left in the hourly, but I think we will close above this actual downtrend, okay? So I think we will close above it. We'll have to see what happens though. But it's looking pretty good, guys. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the bounce that we're getting. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog where you can ask me any question, ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So yeah, join up with that, guys. Also post up my chart there immediately, right? Simple down line for the trend, right? And then boom, we popped out. So obviously I noticed the people before I made the video. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find some, I will definitely post them so you can whitelist for them as long as you're eligible for that, right? Not all countries are, but I cannot help that, guys. So sorry about that. Anyways, guys, both Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.